It's a thing that's very good. It's where you love people and you love them so much and you hug them and do fun stuff with them. I think love is something that somebody loves somebody and then you love your mom or something. I don't know. I don't really know. God.
That's if you hug someone, that's like love?
Love is where you like someone really, 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 really good, and you kiss them and hug them.
'Cause your parents loved you. Love is you just want to. It's where you give some Valentine cards or some Valentine boxes, or you can get Valentine chocolate candies to them. When you love someone, it means share and love means be nice and love someone and don't disobey your mother.
It means like you go play with your dog and stuff like that.
It's like when you like a person a lot.
Love is you love somebody and you like that person. Love is a thing that when you like people, you sort of, there's something called love, and love is when you fall in love, and it's just that when you know.
It's when you like somebody and you give Valentines to them.
You love somebody. It looks like being nice to each other and like playing with people.
Giving Valentine hearts to each other.
Somebody loving another person.
Like if you give someone a heart and it says I love you on it, that could be a time.
Let me think. Looks like you're showing love. It's magic.
How come?
Because you can't see it. You smile at them and you look at them.
A heart shape.
Like somebody giving a card to you.
My sister.
How do you know she loves you?
Because he always hugs me.
I know my mom and dad because I make them things, and at Valentine's I hug them, and I'm good, and I give them presents. I don't know who I love. I love my parents, and well, who do I love? I don't know. video game and my mom, my dad and my grandmother, and Sisu and Aoi. Aoi is very sick right now.
Mommy loves me.
Mm-hmm. Anybody else?
You love me.
Mm-hmm.
Mom, my grandmother's, and my dad.
No, I don't think no one loves me. It's only my mom and my dad. But the only how they love me is because I'm not really doing much work around the house, but they still love me. Because I'm kind of picking up stuff.
My mom and my daddy and my brother and my baby sister called Chloe. Everybody.